Right, now I need to grab a bucket and also this key. Right, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this bucket here. I want to open this valve here. This is a job that I have to do about once a week because there's a fault with our boiler, our Vaillant ecoTEC boiler, which nobody seems to be able to fix. I'm just releasing the pressure here in the central heating system. Technique called bleeding, I believe. So here's the boiler. You see it's a Vaillant ecoTEC Plus. And as you can see down here, the indicator which shows the pressure in the boiler is quite near the top. About once a week I have to empty water out of the system because this pressure gauge has gone up too high. Well, the pressure is starting to go down because we're releasing water, but the fault is, I think, a simple one, but we can't really understand it. There's a valve somewhere in this ecoTEC Plus boiler which is allowing water to pass from one circuit to the other and therefore inflating the pressure in the central heating circuit. And although we have spent some time with our engineers since it was installed about 2 or 3 years ago, nobody has really been able to give us a solution. Apparently the Vaillant company have a 2-year guarantee on these boilers, and that's all very well, but this is a fault which has arisen probably just slightly outside that period, and as a result we can't claim any money back from it. So let's just see whether the Vaillant engineers have got any bright ideas about what to do about this problem.